Hello all YouTube people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are diving into it. This is my second subscription box of the month and it's the one I'm so excited for, the most excited for, because it is Ipsy Glam Bag X. So you guys know what that means. That means that there is a big box of makeup and beauty products in front of me, and it was curated by whichever celebrity or makeup artist they decided to choose for this month. And obviously you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, the person that curated that for this month is going to be our girl Halsey. So I'm so excited to dive into this box and see what she has curated for us. Obviously this is the third issue, or like the third box they've had a celebrity put together for us. The first one was Patrick Ta, the second one was Khloe Kardashian, and now the third one is our girl Halsey. But obviously if you guys didn't know, that Halsey actually has her own brand, which is About Face, I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, it's called About Face. So if you guys want to know my opinion on this box and see what I got, then go ahead and stay tuned. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I appreciate you stopping by. I post videos 2 or 3 times a week, beauty, fashion, lifestyle. I also do monthly giveaways, open to international and US, and I post 2 or 3 times a week if I didn't already say that. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. I appreciate you stopping by because you wanted to see your girl and you wanted to know what's going on in this box. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so we are finally here with Ipsy Glam Bag X. If you guys don't know what Ipsy is, again, it is a beauty subscription box. There are 3 different tiers when it comes to their boxes, basically just like BOXY charm as well. Actually, they're actually underneath the same umbrella now. But you have Ipsy Glam Bag, you've got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and then you also have Ipsy Glam Bag X. So what that means for us, this is the $50 box, which comes every like 3 months or something like that. I think that's what it is. Don't quote me on that. I can't actually remember since it's August. I think this is the August box. God, why does my nose always itch? Anyways, so they have the $12 bag, which has like sample size. They've got the $25 bag, which is the one I actually normally purchase, but because I decided to upgrade that every 3 months to Glam Bag X, which is why I have this one. The $25 one, you get 5 full-size products. There's way more customization in this than what there is for BOXY charm, which is why I love Ipsy a little bit more this time around, since they're kind of doing things a little bit different. But anyways, we're here to talk about this subscription box and about our girl Halsey and what she's put in it for us. So as we dive into this, I'm kind of going to go ahead and break things down. Normally Ipsy never puts a like card or anything in this, but when they do Ipsy Glam Bag X, they always put in the issue for us, and it actually breaks down what the prices are for these items, so I don't have to go searching for it online. So let's just go ahead and get into this box because there's a lot of stuff in here. I believe you get 8 full-size products in this box, so we're just going to go ahead and dive into this. I remember that some of the items I got to choose really weren't that great. So it is what it is. I do know the 3 items I did end up choosing, I believe. Maybe I don't remember. It is what it is. We're just going to go ahead and dive into this box. So let me go ahead and open up this issue and see if we can figure out which products are in our box for us right now, how much they cost, what's the actual value of this box. I think I took a screenshot on my phone after I chose everything of how much the value of this box was. I think it's a little bit under shy of $300. We're supposed to, you can get up to like $400 worth in your box, but it just depends on actually what goes into it. So it is what it is. Alright, so starting off with the first item that I see right here is actually from Halsey's brand. This is the About Face liquid primer or liquid highlighter. This is worth $32. Halsey's tip: just add a few drops to your body's moisturizer for a fire glow all over, or you can just use it regular as a highlighter on your skin. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. It is plastic, so it is a little bit more on I don't know, it's not that fancy, I guess, but it does have a dropper. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a few drops on my hand. Anyways, you guys can see the color right there for yourselves as well. So it does have a little bit of a like champagne-y but like pink tint to it. So again, I'm excited to see how this works because you guys know I love my liquid highlighter, especially the one from Iconic London. Okay, so this is very like liquidy and smooth. It does sheer out pretty well. It's not extremely luminous compared to some of the other liquid highlighters that I do have, but I can definitely see myself using these for like more of like a natural glow. So I definitely want to go ahead and give that a try out. So I will be keeping this item since I really don't own that many things from Halsey's brand, and I haven't really had enough time to like try and get my hands on it. I don't even know who carries Halsey's brand. I'm gonna guess it's Sephora since I have yet to actually see it in Ulta. So yeah, so there is the first product that we have on our radar for that. Now flipping the page, it's kind of showing me more of the products. So one of the products right here that I see in here is Glamnetic. So normally I know Glamnetic for having lashes, but they have Glamnetic X Ipsy. So this is a collaboration they did together for reusable press-on nails. This is what they look like. This is in the Lilac Sky edition. Again, this is a collaboration with Ipsy. These are worth $21.99. It says not only are these the realistic looking press-ons we've ever seen, but they're also the coolest. And again, they are reusable press-on nails, which is really cool. Just looking at the back, it just says remove any nail polish you previously have, size them to your fingers, apply an even layer of glue to the natural nails and to the back of the Glamnetic nails, and then just align, hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Apply all over your 10 nails and then clip if you need to. And then it says to remove, just soak your nails for 10 minutes in warm water or use glue loosener. And it says gently peel the nails off, set them to the side, do not force removal, soak nails if required, and then remove any excess glue, and then moisturize your hands, and then you can reuse them. So I think that's kind of cool. I've actually never reused though nails like this, but they do look really pretty and really natural, so I definitely kind of want to give these a go. I've always been hesitant about like getting my nails actually done, but I haven't done it in years because I've had some really bad experiences in the past, and also getting my nails removed to where this nail actually, if you guys can see, I don't know, maybe I might have to zoom in, is permanently cracked down the bottom, and it just grows that way as well, so it never fully healed itself and fixed, so it just permanently damaged. And then I also have really like weird divots in my thumbnails also because of fake nails, so I just I guess acrylics, so I've just never decided to get them redone, and it's just been a really long time, and it's expensive. Like, ain't nobody got time for that, at least I don't. So the next item here is the Briojo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfecting and Heat Perfecting Cream. So it just says apply 1 to 2 quart size amounts to damp hair evenly from root to tip, and then blow dry or style as normal. So I don't have enough heat protectants when I actually want to do my hair, and I don't have any that are meant for when your hair is dry or like wet. I have more or less when they're meant for like when you're dry, when you're like styling with like an iron or a curling iron or whatever it is, or a blow dryer, I guess. I don't know. But I definitely need something that's more or less for when my hair is wet, so I'm super excited to use this. So this is the Briojo. Where is this out on here? This is worth $24, and especially since I do have naturally like frizzy curly hair, I definitely want to go ahead and give that a go. So that's that's a really good hair care product that I'm super excited to keep. Okay, so the next item here is super simple and easy. It is the Beauty Blender. This is in the color Topaz, which is this really pretty blue color. This is worth $20. Standard Beauty Blender. I've actually never owned the original Beauty Blender, so I'm actually intrigued to see how this compares to all like the knockoff versions that I've always bought. So that's really cool for me to have. Then the next item in here is going to be by Fenty. So this is the Fenty, what is this? The Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. This is in Cause I'm Black. So I don't know where that's at on here. Let me flip the page really quickly, see if I can find it. Nope, not there. taking a moment in time to try and figure out if I can find where these products are at on here. But I don't think that they're all listed, which is really weird because you would think that anything that they give us would be on here, but it's not. It's not at all. Oh, never mind. Here it is. It is worth $24. I feel like I may or may not have this already in my collection. So let me double check that already. I just have a weird feeling that I might have that already. So I do. Okay. So I actually already have this mascara in my collection and I have yet to use it. I have no idea even what it looks like. But since I haven't opened the other one, it's also in the same color, I'm going to go ahead and put this into this month's giveaway. So there is a Fenty mascara for you guys, which is really awesome. So moving on from that, let's see what other items we have in this box. Alright, so moving on, we have a skincare item that is in here for us, which I am super excited about because I love myself some Glow Recipe. This just like looks so good, so amazing. I know I saw it on here somewhere. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Hydrolonic Clay Pore Tightening Facial. I definitely think I want to go ahead and use this tonight. Currently now it's like 1 o'clock in the morning when I decided to film because my fiance is at work, so it just made it easier for me. But it does come with a little like tool gadget. It has some scrapes on it and shenanigans on it, which is really weird, but I'm curious to see what it looks like. They get an A+ for packaging. This is what it looks like right here. I just wonder what it smells like. Please tell me it smells like watermelon and it smells heavenly. Oh, it does. Kind of reminds me of a Jolly Rancher, and it has a really weird texture to it. Again, there is clay, but there is some like flecks of stuff that's in it, so I don't know exactly what that is, but again, it's supposed to be pore refining, oh, and exfoliating. So there is an exfoliator that of some type that is in here for us. So definitely going to go ahead and give that a try. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw away the packaging and add this into my skincare drawer already because I'm definitely going to go ahead and use that either tonight or tomorrow at some point because it sounds real, real good. Alright, the next item in here is by Herbivore. So this is their Herbivore Botanicals Lipus Blue Tansy Facial Oil. It says, forget about what you've heard. Use this facial oil, especially this one from Herbivore. It's our own combo for, it's our own, oh my god, I can't talk. This is one from Herbivore. On your combo or oily skin is a total yes. The clarifying formula used to blend the blue tansy, kuku oil, jojoba oil to balance oil production and soothes redness without drying you out. I'm all about facial oils is what Halsey says, and I love this one when I feel some of my breakouts coming on. So how is it supposed to help out with breakouts though? It just says hemp seed adaptogens deep moisturizing glow oil. But there's nothing in here that says it's supposed to. My contacts are getting so dry right now at the moment because it's so late. I need to take them out. Doesn't say anything in here how it's supposed to help out with breakouts. Oh my god, my contact is killing me badly. Alright. I'm back. I don't know if it looks like I cried, but I didn't. I actually just put some contact lens solution into this eye because it was like irritating me. It's super late at night. It's time for me to take these bad boys out because they are getting too dried out past their time limit. Also, I think it's time for me to change them as well. Anyways, so this face oil says it's worth $72. I believe I have some face oils and some serums that I still have in my collection that I've yet to use. There's a serum there. I don't know what the other one is. What's in here? Yeah, okay. So I'm definitely not going to keep this. I'm actually going to go ahead and pass this on. So this is the Herbivore Hemp Seed Adaptation Deep Oil Moisturizing Glow. So again, this is worth $72. I'm glad they're going to go ahead and put that into this month's giveaway as well. And then we've got one item that is left in here, and this is a eyeshadow palette. So this is the Ather Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. It says, what do you get when you combine vegan ingredients, sustainable packaging, crystal-infused powders, this epic Halsey exclusive palette, mix and match shadows that you can use them wet or dry to create the perfect shimmer eye look. Tips: dip your brush in a face oil to transform these shadows into a molten-like cream. Interesting. Maybe that's why I should put that face oil in here as well. I guess more or less I just like to use a facial, like a face mist, and then kind of emoliate them a little bit, or maybe using like a Fix Plus from obviously MAC. So this is what the packaging looks like. I feel like I've heard someone talk about these palettes before. Maybe I think it was Allie Glines. Don't quote me on that, but I feel like it was. I feel like I really need to Google that really quickly. But on the inside, there's actually not a mirror in here. It says Ather Beauty, hello beautiful, we have removed the mirror and the magnet inside to be more sustainable. We strive to make our best sustainable choices in all of our products. And let's be real, you'll probably be using the palette in front of a mirror anyways. So by removing the mirror and the magnet, it becomes more recyclable, and we are saving the palette from going directly to the landfill, and it's a win-win for both of us and our Mother Earth. Thank you for your love and understanding. Good vibes, beauty. So that is what it is, and then it also has it in a different language. I believe this is French because it says bonjour on the inside. And then it also came with this like really cute card. Just says Ather Beauty. It says a tenacious is the lioness and the face of oppression, unflattering and conviction and clout. So really cute little card. Kind of almost looks like a tarot card, honestly, with like a smaller version. But again, this is what the palette looks like. So again, I'm gonna really just look up really quickly because I feel like I know I've heard Allie Glines talk about this brand before. I could be wrong, but maybe I'm not. Allie Glines, and then nay, I swear I feel like I've heard her talk about this brand before, but maybe not. This seems like a really pretty palette. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side for now. Obviously I have a lot of palettes, but I'm unsure if I want to keep this or not. So I'm going to make that final decision once I see what's in my last box from BoxyCharm and figure out what I want to do with that palette. So that was everything that we got, and that palette was $58. I think that's a really high cost for that type of palette. I get it's vegan, sustainable, but since you also took out the mirror and it's made from like cardboard, I feel like it should be a little bit less, because obviously you know that with Urban Decay and some of those other prestige brands, that's how much their palettes cost, but they actually put a lot into the packaging as well. And a little bit more, obviously plastic, but there's like, they look grand, they look prestige, so it is what it is. Obviously, for the price of this whole entire box, I will gladly go ahead and put it somewhere here on the screen once I'm able to add all this up. So again, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I really want to know what you guys thought about this box. And obviously, you're able to see the other items I'm putting into this. So keep a lookout for my last subscription box unboxing, which is going to be BoxyCharm base box. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D. And don't forget to go ahead and check me out on all my socials. It's Sandra D Beauty 01 everywhere here on the internet, whether it is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, I don't know. I'm out there pretty much everywhere. So don't forget to go ahead and check out my socials, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.